A very good morning, children. Welcome to class 3 English Literature, chapter 5 The Golden Bird, part 1. Before we start with this story, I would like to introduce about this chapter or about this story. This story is about the golden bird, which was kept in the palace by the king in a golden cage. Later on, when this golden bird was set free and left in the jungle, how does its nature change and how does it get mixed with the other animals? This is the story all about. So, children, let's understand the chapter, this lovely story.
Chapter 5 The Golden Bird. Now come to the first paragraph. There was once a king who had a golden bird in a golden cage. Every day, someone in the palace gave her food and water and groomed her fine yellow feathers. And each day the bird sang for the king. What happened, children? There was a king who had kept a golden bird. Golden bird means, children, a golden color bird. And it was kept in a golden cage by that king. And every day, someone in that palace gave her food and water. And that person used to groom her feathers. And each day, what did the bird do? Children, the bird sang for whom? Children, for the king. Okay, children? Now come to the next paragraph. But as time passed, the king began to feel sorry for the bird. It's not right, he thought, to hold a bird in a cage. So he told his men to set her free. Means, children, children, as time passed, okay, now what did the king started feeling? He felt sorry for the bird. Why, children? Because the bird was caged. Birds should be free, no, children? And the king asked to himself, it's not right. And what did he think, children? He thought that it was not the right thing to keep the golden bird in a cage. And when he realized, then he told his men to set her free. Let her fly from the what? Cage. Okay, children? Now come to the next paragraph. The men took the cage deep into the forest, set it down, opened the door, and went away. The golden bird hopped out. She looked around her. She was hungry. Now, what did the men do? Children? Yes. The men opened the door of the cage and went back to the palace. Now, what did the golden bird do? It hopped out. Hopped out means, children, how the birds walk, that is called hopping. And she looked around the forest because the bird was hungry. Now come to the next paragraph. After a while, she saw a monkey swinging from a tree. Hello there, said the monkey. Who are you? The bird tossed her head and said, I am the golden bird. Means, when she was feeling hungry, after some time she saw, to whom, children? A monkey swinging from a tree. Then monkey asked question to that golden bird, that who are you? Give me your introduction. Now the bird shook her head and said, I am a golden bird. Don't you know me? She was very much proud of herself that everyone used to call her golden bird. Okay, children, now come to the next paragraph. I can see you're new to the forest, said the monkey. Do you want to see the best places to feed? What can a monkey teach me? Replied the bird. And you have such a funny face. Have you seen my beautiful beak? She added. Do as you like, said the monkey as he swung off into the trees. Some time later, the golden bird heard a hissing noise in the grass and saw a snake. In all these sentences, children, we come to know that now the monkey said that I can see that you are new to this forest. No one knows you, and can I help you in finding of places where you can get your food? Monkey wanted to help this golden bird. Now when the monkey said that I will help you in finding the places where you can get your food, then that golden bird replied. What replied, children? What can a monkey teach me? And what will this monkey teach me? And she said, just see your face, monkey. What a funny face you have. Have you seen my beautiful beak? Then, now the monkey said, do whatever you feel. I am not going to help you at all. And he went off, swinging into the trees. Now, after some times, this golden bird heard a hissing noise. Who makes, children? Snake. Okay. Hissing noise came from where, children? From the grass. Children, till here we end. In the next video, I will be catching you up with the same story. That would be part 2 of chapter 5, The Golden Bird.